Hello guys, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. Tapos hindi ko na alam kung i-copyright nyo ito dahil with sounds. Ang pagkakaintindi ko, my father, Dominador, Pastor Dominador Balestabili, nagtanim siya dito. Ito yung hard work from my own father. I am his third child of him. Apat talaga yung inanak niya guys. Ako lang yung hiningi niya sa Panginoon. Palagi ako naka-harvest nito. Still, there is more there. Not so much, but little bit. I think God bless me now. And na-appreciate ko yun guys. Sa mga pinagagawa ko, God recognize me and bless me. And thank you Lord. Guys, tanim ito ng asawa ko. The message is him from my father. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat. Bye.